Hello friends, welcome to our channel. In this video, we are going to learn about top verbs in English. Verb with letter D, Verb1, Verb2, Verb3, Verb4 and Verb5. Let's start. Draw, drew, drawn, drawing, draws. Draw, drew, drawn, drawing, draws. Drink, drank, drunk, drinking, drinks. Drink, drank, drunk, drinking, drinks. Direct, directed, directed, directing, directs. Direct, directed, directed, directing, directs. Dream, dreamt, dreamed, dreaming, dreams. Dream, dreamed, dreamed, dreaming, dreams. Dare, dared, dared, daring, dares. Dare, dared, dared, daring, dares. Duel, duelled, duelled, duelling, duels. Duel, duelled, duelled, duelling, duels. Drive, drove, driven, driving, drives. Drive, drove, driven, driving, drives. Dry, dried, dried, drying, dries. Dry, dried, dried, drying, dries. Deal, dealt, dealt, dealing, deals. Deal, dealt, dealt, dealing, deals. Dump, dumped, dumped, dumping, dumps. Dump, dumped, dumped, dumping, dumps. Dispose, disposed, disposed, disposing, disposes. Dispose, disposed, disposed, disposing, disposes. Discover, discovered, discovered, discovering, discovers. Discover, discovered, discovered, discovering, discovers. Discuss, discussed, discussed, discussing, discusses. Discuss, discussed, discussed, discussing, discusses. Delay, delayed, delayed, delaying, delays, delay, delayed, delayed, delaying, delays. Delete, deleted, deleted, deleting, deletes, delete, deleted, deleted, deleting, deletes. Dance, danced, danced, dancing, dances, dance, danced, danced, dancing, dances. Dash, dashed, dashed, dashing, dashes, dash, dashed, dashed, dashing, dashes. Dig, dug, dug, digging, digs, dig, dug, dug, digging, digs.